आप देख रहे हैं जूलियस सीजर एक्ट 4 सीन 3 के वर्कबुक आंसर्स को। तो चलिए रीड करते हैं आंसर्स को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कैसियस एक्यूज ब्रूटस ऑफ हैविंग। आंसर, एक्यूज लूसियस पीला ऑफ टेकिंग ब्राइब्स। सेकंड, ब्रूटस रिमाइंड्स कैसियस ऑफ द आइड्स ऑफ मार्च। ब्रूटस कैसियस को आइड्स ऑफ मार्च यानी वो 15 ऑफ मार्च की याद दिलाता है। वाइल कैसियस एंड ब्रूटस आर आर्गुइंग अ पोइट एंटर। जब इन दोनों के बीच बहस हो रही थी तो एक पोइट अंदर आया। ब्रूटस डज नॉट वांट टू वेट फॉर द एनिमी टू अटैक देम बिकॉज ही फियर दैट द पीपल बिटवीन सार्दिस एंड फिलिपीस मे जॉइन देयर फोर्सेस। ब्रूटस ने अपने ब्रूटस इंतजार नहीं कर सकता था अपनी एनिमीज पर अटैक करने के लिए, क्योंकि उसे डर था कि जो सार्दिस और फिलीपींस की पीपल है वे फोर्सेस को ज्वाइन कर लेंगे। पोर्टिया commits suicide by swallowing burning coal. Next है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वेयर आर ब्रूटस एंड कैसियस, व्हाट चार्ज इज लेवल्ड बाय ब्रूटस अगेन कैसियस। आंसर है, ब्रूटस एंड कैसियस आर इन ब्रूटस टेंट एट देयर कैंप नियर सार्दिस। ब्रूटस चार्जेस कैसियस with accepting bribes and having itching palm. Question second, why did Cassius feel that they should not argue in such a time? Answer, Cassius believed that arguing is inappropriate because they are in a critical situation, preparing for an imminent battle. He felt they need to focus on their external enemies rather than quarrel among themselves. कैसियस को लगा कि उनका इस तरीके से झगड़ा करना गलत है, क्योंकि वो एक बड़ी ही मुश्किल हालातों में हैं। अब उनकी बैटल युद्ध होने वाला है। उसे लगता है कि उन्हें अपने जो बाहरी दुश्मन हैं उन पर ज़्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए, ना कि अपने आप में लड़ाई करनी चाहिए। क्वेश्चन 3, वाई डिड ब्रूटस एक्यूज कैसियस ऑफ, हाउ डिड कैसियस रिएक्ट टू देयर accusation. Brutus accused Cassius of being greedy and corrupt, especially for taking bribes. Cassius reacted with anger and defensiveness, feeling insulted, unjust, accused, and even threatened Brutus. ब्रूटस कैसियस को उसके लालच और उसके करप्ट के बिहा पर उसको एक्यूज़ करता है, उस पर लांछन लगाता है। लेकिन कैसियस यहाँ पर गुस्सा हो जाता है, अपने बचाव करता है, उसे इंसल्टेड फील होता है, ठीक है, कि उसके खिलाफ गलत आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं, और यहाँ तक कि वो ब्रूटस को भी धमकी देता है। फोर्थ, एक्सप्लेन द लाइन, इट इज़ नॉट मीट दैट एवरी वन ऑफेंस शुड बियर दिस हिज कमेंट। द लाइन मीन दैट इट इज़ नॉट सुटेबल or appropriate to address and comment on every wrongdoing, especially during a time of crisis. Cassius is suggesting that some issues should be overlooked for the sake of unity. Focus on the large goal. Question number 5. Brutus accuses Cassius of many wrong. Was Brutus justifying his doing so? Give reason for your answer. Brutus was justifying in accusing Cassius because he held high standard of morality and integrity, which he believed are being compromised by Cassius' action. However, the time of his accusation was poor, as it threatened their unity and focus when they needed to be united against their common enemy. Question second. Passage second. Question first. What does Brutus remind Cassius of? Brutus Cassius को क्या याद दिलाता है? Brutus remind Cassius of Ides of March, the day the assassinate Julius Caesar. वो दिन जब जूलियस सीजर के खिलाफ षड्यंत्र रचा गया। Fill in the blanks. The line in the extract. The correct line are reminds March, the Ides of March remember. Question second. What do the words in the blanks signify? For what purpose did Julius Caesar bleed for justice sake? Answer है, the word remember March, the Ides of March remember signifies the date of Julius Caesar assassination. Julius Caesar was killed for justice sake, to prevent him from becoming a tyrant or to restore the republic. यानी ये शब्द रिमेंबर मार्च, द आइड ऑफ मार्च, ये याद दिलाते हैं वो उस डेट की जब जूलियस सीज़र के खिलाफ षड्यंत्र रचा गया। वो उन्होंने जूलियस सीज़र को इसलिए मारा था क्योंकि वो उसके अत्याचार से लोगों को मुक्त कराना चाहते थे, वो नहीं चाहते थे कि जूलियस सीजर अत्याचारी बन जाए, इसलिए उन्होंने पहले ही उसको मार दिया। क्वेश्चन 3, हाउ डज ब्रूटस कनेक्ट द एक्ट ऑफ मर्डरिंग सीजर टू करप्शन? Brutus connect the act of murdering Caesar to corruption by arguing that they killed Caesar to end corruption and tyranny. They become therefore any form of corruption, including the ones one Cassius is accused of, goes against the very principle for which they killed Caesar. Question number 4. How is Brutus wrong in his assessment? Was Brutus being fair to Cassius? Give reason for your answer. Answer is Brutus is wrong because he does not see the practical need of their situation. He is too idealistic. While Brutus aims for moral integrity, he might not be fair to Cassius, who has acted pragmatically for their cause. Cassius' action, though questionable, could be essential for their survival. Brutus' strict moral stance could weaken their unity and effort. Next passage, question number 1. Explain the line, you shall digest the venom of your spleen, though it do split you. Brutus means that Cassius will have to deal with his own anger, even if it causes him pain. Question second, how does Brutus taunt Cassius in succeeding line of the extract that Cassius tell Brutus in exasperation? Is it come to this? Brutus taunted Cassius by saying he would not tolerate Cassius' bad temper, implies Cassius is being unreasonable. Question 3. Why does Cassius consider himself a better soldier than Brutus? Was he justifying in the assessment of himself? Give reason for your answer. Answer is Cassius thinks he is a better soldier due to his experience and strategy skill. He might be partially justified because he has shown good tactics, but Brutus also has his own strengths. Question number 4. State any two derogatory remark made by Brutus for Cassius. Answer is Brutus calls Cassius testy, bad tempered. Second, he accused Cassius of corruption. Brutus might feel justified to maintain moral standard, but his remark can be harsh given the tense situation. Question 5. What was the misunderstanding between Brutus and Cassius? Answer is the misunderstanding was Brutus thinking Cassius denied him money for his troops. Cassius explained the delay was the messenger's fault. Cassius softened when he see Brutus is affected by his wife Portia's death, showing they both share grief. Question number 4. First, what was made Cassius become so frustrated in anger? Answer is Cassius is frustrated because Brutus accused him of corruption and denied him money, which he needed for his troops. Before this, Cassius complained that Brutus has wrongfully condemned Lucius Pila and accused him of having an itching palm, being corrupt. Next, what does Cassius mean to say when he say his heart is dearer than Pluto's mind? Who is Pluto? Why does Cassius compare his heart to Pluto's mind? Answer is Pluto is the Roman god of the underworld and riches. Cassius means that his heart is more valuable than the treasure found in Pluto's mind. Emphasize his loyalty and dedication. Third question, why had Cassius, according to Brutus, denied giving gold to him? How did Cassius justify the accusation made to him by Brutus? Brutus accused Cassius of withholding gold intended for paying the troops. Cassius justified this by explaining that his messenger failed to deliver the gold, not his own intention. Fourth question, how does Brutus try to pacify Cassius and end the quarrel? Answer is Brutus pacified Cassius by acknowledging his loyalty and offering reconciliation, emphasizing their common cause against Caesar's tyranny. I would have ended the quarrel by having Brutus apologize for misunderstanding Cassius and reiterating their need for unity to face their enemy. Fifth question, who entered the scene? Why has the person come here? How does Brutus react to the person's intrusion? Lucilius entered the scene with the intention to intervene and possibly calm down the heat argument between Brutus and Cassius. Brutus welcomes Lucius' entrance as a relief from the tense confrontation between him and Cassius, showing willingness to de-escalate this situation. Passage 5. Question first. How does Brutus speak to the first line of the extract? Answer is Brutus speaks to Messala. He does not want to hear more because he received disturbing news about Octavius and Antony marching toward Philippi with a large enemy, which worries him. Second question. Whose thought is Brutus trying to wave off? Brutus is trying to dismiss Messala. Few further discussion about advancing enemy. He likely trying to maintain stoicism, staying calm and rational is the face of imminent danger. Third question. Who is Messala? Messala is a soldier and a friend of Brutus. After the extract, Messala informed Brutus about the approach of Octavius and Antony with their force towards Philippus. Question 4. How does Brutus plan to meet his enemy? Answer is Brutus planned to march toward Philippi immediately to confront the enemy head on. Cassius advised waiting for the enemy to come to them, which he believed would provide a tactical advantage. Question number 5. How did Cassius prove himself to be a better soldier than Brutus in his advice? Cassius showed tactical acumen by suggesting they wait for their enemy to exhaust themselves, allowing them to capitalize on a strategic advantage. This contrasts with Brutus' straightforward plan, showing Cassius' deeper military insight. Question number 1. Passage 6. Question number 1. What instructions are being given before the extract to whom? Before the extract, Brutus is giving instruction to Cassius. They are discussing the time of their action in the upcoming battle against Octavius and Antony. Second answer is Brutus means that they are critical moment in life when opportunities are evident. Seizing this moment can lead to success and prosperity. Third answer Brutus compare life to a sea voyage where certain times like high tides offer opportunity from progress and success. Missing these moments leads to stagnation and hardship. Fourth answer yes, Brutus was justifying because in military strategy, timing is crucial. Seizing the opportunity when their forces are ready and the enemy is still preparing can give them an advantage in battle. Fifth answer is after the extract, Brutus proposed to march their enemy immediately to Philippi to confront Octavius and Antony. He called for Lucius to prepare for the departure as he wanted to capitalize on the current favorable condition before they change. Question 7. First answer is the scene take place in future tent at the rebel camp in Sardis. It's a night. Brutus is unable to sleep. He noticed that his candle burned dimly, and he sees a ghostly figure that makes his blood turn cold. Second answer, the appreciation, which is the ghost of Caesar, tell Brutus that they will meet against in at Philippi. Brutus is startled and deeply disturbed by the appreciation. If I were in Brutus' place, I would have felt terrified and anxious, fearing the ominous message. Third answer, the word of the apparition signifies a foreboding of doom and impending disaster for Brutus. It serves a reminder of Caesar's enduring influence and foreshadow Brutus' downfall at Philippi. Fourth answer, the apparition reality is ambiguous. It could be a product of Brutus' guilty conscience and stress. However, in the context of the play, it appears as a supernatural element, suggesting Caesar ghost is a genuinely haunting Brutus. Fifth answer or last answer of this act, the apparition appears to Brutus against at the battlefield in the Philippies. Brutus later tells Cassius about the apparition before the final battle, sharing his unsettling encounter.